How to make your day productive. You can't become productive overnight. You need to practice. Take the following habits in your daily routine, and you will be more on your way to become productive. 1. Wake up early and get up refreshed from bed. Our brains are most alert in the morning. You'll get more done on your goals if you are able to focus early in a day. Try writing upon waking up to stimulate and warm up your brain. Exercise and eat a healthy breakfast. You should know where to start your day. 2. Budget and plan your time. Budgeting your time gives you control and focus on your time for your goals. Make a to-do list, a good to-do and bad to-do non-negotiable list. Make it 3 to 5 goals a day, or at least 2 to 3, depending on the steps involved. To achieve them, have a plan for your goal setting and prioritize. 3. Remove or eliminate distractions. Focus on one goal at a time. Focusing on one goal at a time leads to a higher chance to finish it, and can move on to another goal you had set to accomplish. Love and consider the idea of diversion if you are distracted. Avoid distraction, because it will slow and kill your productivity. 4. Allow and don't forget to take a break. Taking a break gives you the time to reassess your goals and priorities. It will give you the time to make sure if you're giving attention to the right task. On the other hand, focusing can drain your energy. So reward yourself with a break by not pulling away from your goals to be done. Take a break for at least 5 minutes every after 25 minutes. Manage your time. A great author once said, "No such thing as free time, only unstructured time." 5. Do reflections at the end of your day. Reflecting back is key to learning. Reflect on your day to find out what worked or did not. Think about the most significant accomplishment while working on your goals. Are there new skills you've learned? Review your work. Then after a long day, reward yourself by celebrating what you've accomplished. To continue doing great work, keep in mind that a reward is a great motivator. 6. Go to bed early at night. Good sleep can improve concentration and productivity. Enough sleep can help you see problems with focus. It reduces stress and improves your mood, while lack of sleep can impair your decisions. Try to think about this. 24 hours are too little for each day when we think about our responsibilities, but it's all we have. The only thing we can do is to manage our time in a more disciplined way. Before starting your day, take a look at your schedule. A step-by-step action plan will help you accomplish your goals. Thank you for watching. Good vibes. Stay safe and God bless. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Click the bell icon for notifications of more upcoming videos.